Good day to you all, it's Etienne and I'm back again. Nenye video. So I just hope that you're all doing well, okay, yabo. And then I'm starting off today. Let's just congratulate Asanda and also Aphiwe. Aphiwe was voted as the player of the tournament in the tournament which was hosted by Bayern, which is known as the Bayern Youth Cup. It's one of the oldest tournaments in Europe. So he was voted as the player of the tournament and he was elected in the 2024 FC Bayern World Squad alongside Asanda. So it's a very beautiful thing for those boys, and just I just want to say kudos to them, and I just hope that they can maintain their form and get to be in the biggest clubs in the world, because I mean Bayern is a very big club. I mean, if they get to be really impressed with the performance that they have and how they play, they might eventually see themselves playing for FC Bayern Munich. So just all the best to them. That's all I can say. And then moving on to what I can say, Luchuku, ne? Yeah. Carling Knockout Cup, we are off to quarterfinals. We have seen some of the most outrageous things that we didn't expect. Big teams getting knocked out. So we are on to the last 8. So yesterday we got to see Polokwane City taking on the SuperSport United, and the SuperSport United was knocked out by 4-1. Can you believe that? So it's just one of those shocks. And then you also got to see Swallows being knocked out by Sekhukhune United, by Richards Bay, by 2-1. So it's been a very beautiful tournament so far. It has given us those shocks, but the most controversial part about this tournament is the man of the match accolades. We know that a player that gets to be the man of the match in a match gets to receive 100,000 rands, but then so many people are not impressed about the players that get to receive that amount of money and those accolades, because they've been saying that fans are voting for their favorite players, and sometimes they're just voting and they're not even watching the game. So we have seen fans throwing tantrums at players. I don't want to call out names because I also don't want to seem like I'm just telling that those players are not good enough or anything. But it's just been something. So please tell me what you think about the man of the match accolades. Do you think that the players that have received them thus far deserve those man of the match accolades? I'm sure it's about the money. Yes, it's about the money, but I don't want to put it out like that. But do you think that they deserve to be the man of the match in the matches that we have had? So, like, we've seen a few players that have walked away with those accolades, the likes of Khanyisa Mayo, Temingosi Lodge, Kik and Doli, Mlungisi Mbunjana, and. So you tell me what you think about that in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till next time. Dango.